when it is said to them, say La ilaha illallah, they become arrogant. So one of the greatest sin that the human being can do is arrogance, or in Tagalog, mayabang. Because if the person is arrogant, he can never go to paradise. Because Prophet Muhammad said, if you have arrogance, if weight of an atom, you shall not smell the paradise. And the arrogance is always related to your disbelief. You become like a kafir when you are arrogant. And arrogant is a big sin today, and is a big problem today in the world today. One nation is arrogant to other nation. They can themselves think we are the better nation, and these nations are the lower nations. Like there's some nation, they call themselves the first world, and they call the other people the third world. Third world means third class. So it is a matter of arrogance. Everybody want to say that my country is more developed, and my city is more developed, and my community is more developed. And people are they have they have arrogance about their houses and about their cars and about their clothes and about their fashion. So arrogant is it's the instinct of shaitan, yung iblis, the shaitanas. It is the attitude of shaitan to be arrogant. When the Prophet Adam was created by Allah, and Allah want the iblis, the shaitan, to accept Adam as a superior, then the iblis, the shaitan, the devil, he backed out. He said no. He disbelieved in Allah. He refused the command of Allah. Why? Because of arrogance. Arrogance is the worst, is the eternal sin. It's a very far away sin, which is starting from the beginning of the human being. The first encounter to the human being was with jealousy, was arrogance. When the iblis, the shaitan, he become arrogant to Prophet Adam, our forefather, our grandfather. So that is the great sin, which is against us. And now we become arrogant. In everything, in business, we are trying to be arrogant. In sports, we are trying to be arrogant. In houses or in cars or in everything, we want to show the arrogance that we are better than others. Some people, they make big parties to show arrogance, that our party is big, or our cars are big, or our houses are big, and our communities are big. Everything, they want to make competition that we are better than others. And this is the worst kind of sickness, it's the worst kind of sin. Masama, sakit sa puso, that you can say, ana khairu minhu, I am better than him, or I am better than you, or I am better than all of you. So this kind of sickness is already the part of our life today, because shaitan is inside us, the devil is inside in our blood vessels, and he is teaching us to be arrogant. So stop doing this system of I am better than you, or I am better than him, or I am better than all. Just forget about it. Don't put yourself to be better than anyone. Just let Allah to be judged upon you. Because once you say I am better than him, or I am better than you, or I am better than all of you, you are the brother of shaitan. So stop it now. Don't compare yourself. Don't put yourself in a test or in a judgment that I am better than anyone in the world. Don't do it. Just struggle for the sake of Allah, and you can have a hope to Allah that Allah can make you better than many on the day of judgment. Let Allah to be your judge, not you yourself to be judged, not you yourself to be judged for the people, not you yourself to be judged for the human beings, but Allah is only judge. And He can judge who is better than others. Allah said clearly in the Quran that all mankind be created from one male and one female, and made you into nation, into tribes, just for identification. Inna karamakum indallahi atqakum. Surely the best among you are those, the most honorable among you are those, or most honorable with Allah are those who are most fearful to Allah. Sino mas takut sa Allah, siya yung mas mataas sa harap ng Allah. Okay, so if you more fear to Allah and not do that what is forbidden, and you follow the commands of Allah, then Allah will make you superior on the day of judgment. And also in this world, Allah will make you superior. But to myself, to say I am better than you, or I am better than him, or I am better than all of you, that's very dangerous for me. If I do this, I become shaitan. So I don't say anyone that I am better than him, or I am better than you, or I am better than all of you. No, I am not claiming to be better than anyone. My judge is Allah, and Allah can judge me if I am better than how many, or I am better than whom, and I am not better than anyone. Allah can only judge me, not myself. Today is everything big competition. People are buying the expensive clothes, the women are buying expensive bags, and they can compare, oh, my bag is 200,000, my bag is 100,000. And it is all showing off, and that's all part of the arrogance, mayabang. Everybody, today we were in Wilcon, And there is a bowel for the CR, the bowel, and the bowel was 91,000 pesos. I say, who's going to buy this 91,000? Because some people will buy this very expensive brand, they put in their CR. So people will go and they can say, oh, he's very mayabag because he has a very expensive bowl. It is a high brand, like, the German brand, popular brand. So they want to put what is the benefit of? You can buy the very high quality bowl for 10,000. Why you need to buy 100,000 bowl just to show off that you are mayabag, you are arrogant. So that's what's happening today. People are buying the Louis Vuitton bag. What is Louis Vuitton bag? It is nothing. You can buy the leather bag, the most expensive leather bag, only for 10,000. But why you need to buy 100,000 Louis Vuitton just to show off that you are arrogant? You are my bag. So you can say, I have a bag for 100,000, I have a bag for 200,000 pesos, just to show off that you are great. And this arrogance is everywhere. Like you see the subdivisions, they outcast the squatters. They don't like squatters to live together. Mayabang, because we are rich, we need to live separate. These are the poor, we don't like to live with them. So they consider these poor people like filthy and dirty, but they are human being. Yung tao sa squatter, sila din tao, and they are equal to us. They are not lower class, they are same class with us. They are all human being. Kahit yung mayaman, kahit yung mahirap sa squatter, pantay sila lahat. Dahil we are all human beings. We are all children of Adam. But today, the subdivisions, they don't like the squatter. So they make the barrier, they make the walls. They don't like a squatter to come inside the subdivision. So it is arrogance also. It's also arrogance. And the arrogant person will never go to paradise in next life. So may Allah save us from arrogance. May Allah save us to be not to become mayabang, and always to be humble. Kumbaba, or we call in English humble in Arabic ages. We need to be always low profile and not be arrogant, so we can have a mercy of Allah upon us, and we will not be punished by Allah, and we have a good life in this world, and the next life we can go safe from the hellfire and enter to paradise.